Hi guys, welcome to Simple Mom Simple Cooking, and let's get started with mushroom fry masala. For that I've taken around 300 grams of chopped mushroom, half cup of grated coconut, around 3 to 4 finely chopped onions, little bit of green chilli and garlic which is crushed. Then take a pan and add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and once it's hot, add the finely chopped onions and saute till it becomes brown. Once it's brown, add the crushed green chilli and garlic and give it a good mix. And then add the chopped mushroom and mix well. Now you have to add salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric powder, then 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of bhaji masala or veg masala, and mix well. And cook on low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes you can check how wonderfully it has been fried. Now this is an optional ingredient. You can add grated coconut, that's as per your choice. Mix the grated coconut and let the coconut also fry for around 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And once every ingredient is fried well, the aroma which comes is super divine. Do give it a try. Absolutely divine and absolutely delicious side dish for chapati or rice. If you've liked the video, please give a thumbs up. Follow me on Insta and FB too. And do subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.